So this is the second option for folding the point. Just like the first one, we fold 2 corners down to the center, and then we fold these back up. Alright, and I'm going to use my bone folder and crease those well. And then again, I'm going to make a scored line along the edge here. You should use a ruler, but I'm just going to do that quickly. And then just push that up a little bit so you can find the little tip here. I've got my scored line there, and I'm going to fold that down to make my kite shape. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to get this little tip, just going to pop that to the front, and I've got my scored line here. Fold it down along the scored line and make my kite shape. Then I'm going to put this tip into this pocket. Like that. And I'm going to fold this tip up into the inside to lock the point in place. And of course, I'll use my bone folder now to crease that well, and then I can finish making my folder.